This is very important definition. What is this? Connected set. What is connected set? You can, it is very useful in topology and metric space and in functional analysis. Okay, a connected set is a set that cannot be divided into two or more disjoint non-empty open subset. Okay, what is disjoint set? If A and B are two sets and A intersection B is phi equal to phi. Phi means null set. Then this set is called disjoint. And what is this definition saying? A connected set is a set that cannot be divided into two or more disjoint non-empty open subset. Which set cannot be divided into two or more disjoint non-empty set? That set is called connected set. We can say all in one place with no separate parts. Connected set is the set with no separate parts, which we cannot divide into two parts, two disjoint parts. Okay, now a subset of X of X is topological space and A is called connected when if it cannot be expressed as the union of two disjoint non-empty open subset of this is definition equivalent to this definition. You can understood very easily. Okay, now some examples of connected set. Okay, you can see this is closed set. And now it is also example of connected set. Why? Because we cannot write this interval using two or more disjoint sets. Okay, we cannot write this interval. We cannot divide this interval into two or more disjoint open set. Okay, you are understanding what I am saying. Okay, similarly A and B also, this is also an example of connected set. So now a connected set is a set that cannot be divided into two or more disjoint non-empty open subset. Okay, if you have some query and if you have some doubt in this definition, you can also comment and we can rectify if there is something wrong in this definition. Okay, thank you.